Hey, what's going on, guys? Thanks for coming back to the channel as always. As you can tell, I'm in a little bit different of a backdrop. I'm trying something out. I got a new laptop. I'm seeing if the software is good enough to run this camera, and what better video to do it than an unboxing video of Alpha Outpost. If you're not familiar with Alpha Outpost, guys, it's an outdoor a monthly subscription box rather, for everything outdoors basically. And if you are interested in, all the links will be in the description box below. What it is, you pay $5 for your first box, and if you like that box, which if you go back and check every video, I'll hold you to this, I always say that you will like the first box. Now some boxes aren't going to be all that, of course some boxes are going to be like but everything I've ever gotten from Alpha Outpost I've used. So that's the best thing about it. There's always going to be something in the box that you're going to be able to use. My favorite boxes from the past have been the ones with the knives. I'm a big knife guy, so I like my sharp knives. Anyway, your first box is $5 when you get it to your door, and if you like it and you want to order more, anything thereafter is $40 plus shipping and handling. Anything in the package that you get is going to be worth $40 by itself. Not anything particular, but one high dollar item. So without further ado, this is July 2021 unboxing. I don't know what this month's called, so you're gonna find out as always. Just like me, I don't even know what's in the bag. They sent me out a bag. I don't know what's in it. I don't know what the month's called, but we're going to find out here in a second. So we're going to take my old trusty Crambit, and we're going to unbox. Man, I like a sharp knife. You got to have a sharp knife, always. Set that up here. And it is unboxed. And actually, I'm going to reach in. I'm sorry if that's loud, guys. Usually with every box you get a morale patch. I'm not feeling anything on the top. Flip this box over, the bag. Let's see. Look in the bottom of the bag. I don't know. I'll have to skip to the... Alright, well, you know what? I'm just going to open it. And... let's see. Nothing's in the bag. The bag's empty. And oh man, that's pretty cool. So my very first, tell you a short story real quick. My very first box was a large backpack, like a hiking backpack. It's in my closet, packed full of survival stuff, everyday carry stuff. And it looks like this month is called DayPack. I might be wrong. I think it's been. I didn't get a package last month, so I'm not sure on this month. But if it is, it's called the DayPack, and what it is a huge backpack. I can't even fit it in the screen. And as always, they have a packing list. As you can see, of course, there's the pack, and it looks like there's a carabiner in there. Yep. And these are nice to have because, if you don't know what it's for, it tells you. Pretty cool. And I'm just to save you guys' ears, I'm going to take this plastic off. There we go. And as you can see, they never disappoint with these patches. There we go. Really cool patches, and they're super duper thick, as you can see. Anyway, that's that. They have a little carabiner. And what's funny is I was shopping on Amazon for these, so that's kind of cool that they sent that with this. And the package empty, and this, I believe, is a little fire starter, I guess. I'm assuming. Yeah, let's see. Yep. Little fire striker. That's pretty freaking cool. Check that out. And of course, I'll stick this in one of my knife holders. Very cool. Like I said, guys, this company never never disappoints me. Everything I got, I love. You know what I mean? And then the pack, like I said, it's really, really big. It's got all kind of pockets. And you got your MOLLE straps. Very, very nice. Big pockets on the side right here. And this back part, I don't know if you guys can tell, but this is all padding right here. It's really, really cool. Lots and lots of storage for your survival kit, your backpacking, whatever you want to do. And on the pamphlet, let's see, it usually says how many liters these packs are. And the information on these cards, I'll read a little bit real quick. If there's a question we'll probably be asked here, is this one: what is the difference between a DayPack and a backpack? A very good question. To put it very simply, a DayPack is a backpack, but a backpack may not necessarily be a DayPack. Kind of confusing, but a backpack is any bag that you carry on your back with 2 shoulder straps for support. It could be a laptop bag, a hiking bag, a backpacker's bag, etc. A DayPack, however, well, as the name suggests, it's usually a backpack that allows you to pack enough gear for a day. You'll find that most DayPacks have a capacity between 20 liters and 35 liters. There are many types of DayPacks that are designed for multiple uses. So as always, their packs are huge. And I'm going to say this is probably a 30 liter to 35 liter, but you guys will get that in your packs if you order. It's always nice to have a little bit of extra EDC gear to throw in your packs. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. The theme is called DayPack, obviously. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick unboxing video for Alpha Outpost. If you're interested in trying them out, everything will be in the description box below. I highly recommend at least try their first box. Try one box. Pay the $5. You get it. If you don't like it, fine. No money. $5. What's $5? Well, today, $5 is a lot of money, but you'll get something in the pack that'll be worth that $5. I guarantee it. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you all are well. Thank you for all the support, all the continued support, newcomers and old members, subscribers, supporters. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Until the next video, peace. Gotta do my great outro. Whew.